myself. I kind of like it. Gives it a little character. All right, we're gonna do some liquid on here. Yes. Tapping is so free. We ready? Sorry guys, there's a dog here. Okay, that one was fire. What is it like on Shrek when Donkey says, "Ooh, let's do that again." We like to do that again. And let me pour from here. Yes, it is pretty fun to play in, not gonna lie. 16 more followers in the last 5 minutes. Yes. Thanks for the likes, guys. I'm at 26K. What the heck? What the helly? Oh, thanks. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the likes, lovers. Thank you guys so much. If you guys were to pick what else could be added into this, would you guys add anything into this? Or would you leave it as such with just what we have? Also, I don't know why in my mind I thought, you think more powder? Like, should I get more powder before I save this? Because I totally can. I can go to the store and go get some more powder. I just didn't want it to be too thick because last time I made powder, or last time I made laundry soap, y'all, that shit turned into a solid rock. Save the soap flakes for a different combo. Oh, I already put them in here. I get some more. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. And definitely no focus. Sorry, like for you personally, that's cool. But yeah, I did layered tweezes. I put the Zoe flakes and then the Zoe flakes and the firework beads and squeezed them. Yeah, I'll save it, girl. You know I'm gonna post it. You'll see them, I promise. I just want to be able to use this, and I feel like if I put too much powder, like for the live, yeah, I get it, like more powder, but like for saving purposes and actually using it, like, I'm just not trying to brick it up, you know what I mean? Maggie. Do you have penny winners? I can do that. Oh, should I do it in a big bowl? Oh. OMG. I do have more fabric softener and dish soap here, guys. If you think I should add it, I totally will, but otherwise, just leave it. Of course you should. Dude, it's fine. Hey, Suds Queen. Dude, I get it. You're sick. So I've already told everybody, but for anybody that's in here now that wasn't in here already, if you donate $10 or more in gifts or via a method of payment, holler at me and I will add you to the drawing. We're going to do a drawing. I'm going to bucket up a few of these little buckets that I have for the finished product, and I'm going to send it to the people who win. So you'll be put into a drawing and win a little bucket, and I will, if you save the way, sorry, I've got something on this phone, I can't see what that says. If I save it this way? No. No, I don't think it'll crystallize. It might, but I don't know. I didn't have any trouble with it crystallizing last time. I just had it got solid hard because I didn't have enough liquids in it. That's why I wanted it to be runny this time. I'm sorry you're sick, Queen. Doesn't bother me. I like them. I like them in there because they dissolve in the water in the laundry with the hot water, you know. I like it because it gives it like the texture. I can look at them, but I can't squeeze it. You don't like the texture, Kelsey? I'm gonna start squeezing these sponges out and get this bucket moved so I can put the other one up here. 31 more followers and I'll be at 7K, bitches. Love that. Love you guys. Thanks for the follow. I am. I'm gonna follow some. I'm gonna repost some of the squeezes. I'm gonna repost our sponge wall we made in our beach. Even though I kind of fudged up on the beach because I should have put the powder first, but you know, I did it. You live and you learn. Drop you? Drop you. Now, while I'm squeezing these sponges out, 6966. So what is that? 44? No, 34. So while I'm squeezing these out, question. Like I told you guys earlier, I don't spend a lot of time by myself. Maybe I should, but I don't. I'm a husband's girly. So my husband has went to go pick up his new motorcycle, number 5. Good Lord help me. Plus my son's dirt bike and my other kid's dirt bike. Like, come on now. But anyways, I am going to be alone for several more hours because he's going to Kentucky to pick up the motorcycle, and he just left at like 2:30ish. And the drive is like 3 hours there and 3 hours back, plus the time it takes him to look it over and test drive it, all the things. So with that being said, I have the rest of the evening by myself, and I got a nice, crisp, fresh hundo laying on the table from my wonderful hubby. What would you guys suggest I do? Shall I go get junk food and pile up on the couch and finish watching Game of Thrones? Shall I go, I don't know, just sit here? I don't know what to do. It's it's already late. I don't want to go do anything too crazy, but she said, holy cow, all the things. Like what? What do I do? Ooh, some wine. Oh, bet. What is that? Oh, it's a hard piece. Yes. Okay then. Get takeout and binge watch a show. Okay, so I'm on the last season of Game of Thrones, so binge watching a show is definitely, yeah, we can make that happen, Captain. I just don't know what to do with myself. Self-care night, yeah. That's what's up. We take a nice long hot shower. Yes, a bubble bath. Yes, all the things. Okay, Bane, I've never done a... Isn't hers on Netflix? No, I have not. I have not.